So, good morning, guys. So, yesterday we discussed about arrays and string, right? String is it is a simple in simple words. It is a collection of characters. It is immutable. So we have two different types of strings. That is actually this is the different types of strings and different type of methods. We have the types: string buffer, string builder, and string tokenizer. So done. Yesterday we discussed about string. After that, arrays. Arrays is the index collection used to fix the number of homogeneous data elements used to store the multiple values in a single variable. Okay, instead of declaring separate variables, it takes a lot of memory. And this is the syntax about array. Two ways we can declare the arrays. This is one way. This is second way. Okay. After that. So how to declare an array? First step, first declaration process, variable and integer. Integer immediately square braces. After that, creation. This is the first way of creation. After that, it will whatever the data we are giving in the in the value whatever the data we gave, it will store in the cell and it will we can achieve by the index, right? By that we can achieve the arrays. So like this. So suppose I gave a data like 5741, it will store in the memory like this. Index is there. In the 0 index, 5 will store, in the 1, 7 will store, like that. In the 3, 1 will store. If you want to see what is the element available in the index 2, we have to give the index 2 here, 2 otherwise 1, then we can achieve that data, nothing but value. So that's it about arrays. And one more important thing is for each loop, otherwise enhanced for loop. Okay, enhanced for loop, here we have to give the data type, nothing but integer any data type. After that, here temporary variable. After that, here we have to give the array name. The array name nothing but we have to give the element array. Then it will directly actually one more point, while using this for each loop, index won't work. It will go to directly, it will check the value. If it is available, it will print. Again it will go directly, it will print. Again it will go here 4, it will print. Again it will go another cell, it will print. After that there is no cell available, then it will come out of this block. This is simple and straightforward for each loop. Okay. So disadvantages we know, it is a fixed size and homogeneous only. That's why collections came to the picture, right? I will explain after the OPS concept. So today our topic is scanner classes. Okay, see here, scanner is one class. Okay, in the name itself we can understand the meaning. Scanner is one class. This is nothing but we called predefined class. Okay, so already some developers created this scanner classes. Simply what we have to do, we have to use in our code. So this is the definition. It is used to read the input from the various sources such as keyboard. From the system.in file, the scanner class is the part of the java.util package. Okay. So what is the main of the scanner class is we have to take the input from the end user. Okay. That is the purpose. That is the purpose of this scanner predefined class. Okay. So system.in built-in. Okay, I will explain at the time of code. This is the syntax of the scanner. Scanner is class. That's why start with uppercase. We know this thing. Scanner, variable name, new keyword, scanner and system.in. From this is the creation. This is the object creation for the scanner classes, and system.in, this is the This is the word from the, this meant for taking the input from the end user. For that purpose, we have to use this system.in. Okay. Okay. Let me write today date 30. Right. 30.7.2025. So let me write scanner. Is predefined. It is predefined class, and one more thing is user defined. User defined class. What is meant by user defined class? Means I created one class. See here, scanner demo. Scanner demo I created. How I created? Just I went to in my project, right click on it, just go to the new, create the class. This is called user defined class. We are creating that class, right? This is called user defined class. Suppose if I give here user defined, this is user defined, right? This is user defined. Scanner is predefined. Predefined means already Java developer, they created class for developers, for who are learning this Java, all these things for them. What can I say? For users, I would say users. Okay, scanner is predefined class, but here scanner sample is user defined class, predefined. Now let me write user defined. Let me take demo here. Understand what I am writing. Now see here, this is my package name, July batch demo. Public is access modifier, class is keyword, scanner class, scanner sample is user defined class. Okay, this is my main method. Controller will come directly main method. Now see here, what I have to do. My goal is I want to take input, nothing but data from the end user. It might be student, okay, passenger, okay, it might be any civilian, citizen, otherwise any customer, like that, and so on. I want to take the details from these end users. These are all end users, right? Suppose, for your understanding, let me go to the Amazon. Or any e-commerce website. So I access the Amazon website. Now I am the end user, right? I am the end user. Why? I want to suppose I want one table, suppose study table, right? I am end user. I will give it. So here I check the whatever the varieties. I will click on it. I will give my details. How? I am giving details through one form. Now I am end user, right? Understood, right? Like that only. Here I am one customer for Amazon. Like that only. I want to take the input from the end user, otherwise citizen, otherwise in the bus passenger, in the class student. Clear? Now let me go to the thing. What is actually scanner means? Scanner is already predefined class. We know this one. So here I want to first create object for class. We know, right? What is the syntax here? See here, example, scanner, object name, and new keyword, scanner system.in, right? Let me write that only. New keyword. With the new keyword, we have to create the object. So here type, I don't give my user defined class. Now I want to take input from the end user for that variable name. Here system.in. System.in. Why this one? This is for taking data from the keyboard. Okay. See here it is showing error because of we have to import that one. See here. Import scanner is a class. In the single quotes it wrote the scanner, class. In the braces it wrote java.util, nothing but it's a package. I have the package. My package name is in the first line. In the first line I am explaining my package name is July batch demo. In that July batch demo I have the class scanner sample. Like that only already predefined class is there, scanner, that is coming from java.util package. Clear? Now see, if I hit a java.util package, see here in the third line it's imported. It's imported. Imported nothing but it's a keyword. Let me write what is meant by imported also. Import. Import. In a Java, import is a keyword, right? It is a one keyword. Keyword is the one special meaning. In Java. Okay, these are all the keywords in Java. Import is one keyword. Okay, it is a reserved words. Already they created these keywords behind some logic. So users, why we are using this import? To users include the built-in or user defined class. See here user defined classes or packages. See here packages. I am using right now this one. Packages. What is that my package? Import, it is a one keyword. First point. Second point, it is a special meaning in a Java. It's a reserved word. We don't use this one as a class. We don't give as a not for a class name. We don't take this all keywords for a class name. Let me show what is the keywords. Okay, these are all the keywords. See here, I will explain. See here, these are all the keywords. Public is one access modifier, nothing but keyword. I am explaining first row. Private, protected, after that class. Class is also one keyword, interface is keyword, extends. It will comes all in OPS concept, object oriented program. After that implements is what keyword. These are all the keywords. After third control statement. If else. What is this? Decision making statements. Right? Decision making statements. If, else, switch case. Right? While is the loop. For loop. These are all the again keywords. Again exception handling. Exception handling also we have keyword. Try, catch, finally throw, throws. After that data types. Data types, integer, float, double, char, boolean, long, short. These are also data types. Keywords. Like others, I am explaining last. Others, in others also, we have new. What is this by new? New is one keyword for creating objects, for class. And this, super, void, these are all the return types. Void, return, null, true or false, boolean. These are all the keywords among actually we have in Java we have 50 plus keywords. These are all keywords we don't use for class name. We don't use for variable names. Clear? These are all the reserved words. Okay, see here I am explaining here class. In the second row from down to second import. Able to see? import. This one. Import is also one keyword from the class or object related one. That's why I am explaining here. Imported is one keyword using for like used for packages. Which packages? Java.util package. In the Java.util package, scanner class available. Okay. Let me show you where is this class. Just hit the control button. I want to see the predefined class. For that purpose, hit the control button in laptop. Go to the scanner. It will pop up like this in the Eclipse IDE only. After that, go to the implementation. It will redirect to the predefined class scanner. Okay, see here. Okay, it's another one. Okay, let me go to the first package. See here, java.util package. Already predefined one. Okay, java.util is one package. Already created. In this package, they imported lot of things. Okay. In the package, what is our requirement? What is our goal? We have to see the scanner class. Where is your class? See here. In the 310 line, public is access modifier, final is keyword class. What is the class here? Scanner. See here, this scanner I want to use in my user defined class. For that purpose, what I did? I imported one. I used the import keyword from the java.util package scanner, right? See, scanner from the java.util package. That is the meaning of import. Clear, right? Now I created object for predefined class, right? Generally, how we have to create the object? New class name, right? One object name, suppose hi equal to new keyword and constructor. Nothing but class name followed by parenthesis, close the line. Same. What is here? Class name, predefined class is scanner. Hi is one object name, otherwise reference variable. Here I took input and new keyword as it is I have to write. And class name. What is my class name? Predefined class, scanner. And system.in. In this parenthesis, I wrote this system.in for I want to take input from the end user. For that purpose system.in. Clear? Now, let me write. So what? So let me explain methods available in the scanner class. I will go to the again scanner class. It's a predefined class from the java.util package. What available in the scanner predefined class? Understood. Today all about predefined class only. Okay. In future also you are using mostly predefined classes by using extend keywords, otherwise import. Okay. See here. In the scanner classes, these are all the variables, inclusion variables, and these are all the methods, scanner methods, scanner. Okay, let me search non-static methods we have to call with. So whatever the methods available in the scanner classes, like next int, next line, all will come. Whatever the method, okay, right, all right. So whatever the methods available in the scanner class, what is here? Predefined class. In the predefined class, we saw now only. Next line is one method. Next line is one method, right? It's in the scanner class. Which line? Might be 90. Oh, it's almost. Okay, let me go to the scanner class. There is this class name. Okay, scanner class. In the class, that next line method available. I want to use this one. For that, I created object. Whatever the methods available, all I can access by the object. So see now, input, what is this name means? String data type. In the string nothing but it's a sequence of characters. Then giving from the keyboard, it will go inside this method and it will return string value. I want to store in the name. I want to print that one. That is the execution. Okay, I will explain execution also. Now see, just I wrote one method. Next line, we know where it is coming from. If you go to the implementation, it will go to the scanner class. In the scanner class, next line available. Let me execute this one. Let me execute one method, then you can understand step by step. Okay. Window show you console. Okay, before that let me write something. Enter name, then run this code. Okay, let me write this one on the top of this one. Just to save this one. Scanner sc dot next line. Okay, let me write now. Okay, see here, enter name. I will enter name Mahesh. That's it. It's printed Mahesh. Why? Because of it is a taking the input from the keyboard for the first time. Okay, let me explain again. If I run this code, see here it is asking my name. Suppose I will give Hari. Okay, Hari I gave for the first time. I am giving the dynamic data, not hard code. Hard code means you know, right? Suppose let me write Mahesh. Okay, let's close this one. I am assigning to one variable name. I am assigning, it is a string value. This is called hard code. Hard code nothing but we have to give the details in the code itself. That is called hard coding. Now I want to give the dynamic data. For that purpose, scanner come to the picture, right? Suppose if you give the Mahesh only, in the code itself Mahesh it will it will store there only. But I want to take number of student names. For that purpose, just run this one. Okay, let me write student name, right? Now you can explain, you can understand a little better. Let me ask, what is the student name? Student name, suppose Mahesh. Student name, it's printed. I'm not giving hard code. I'm giving the data from the keyboard. This is the difference. By using this is the main goal of using the scanner. Okay? That is the thing. We have lot of things. We can give here number. We can, for that purpose, we have different method. Next integer, next double. Okay? For that purpose, what is the main purpose of this one? Taking the input from the end user. Might be student, passenger, citizen, otherwise customer. Let me take as a passenger. Let me write passenger. passenger available bus. Okay, based on this let me write one code. Okay, here already I created one class. In this I will write one class. Now see here, now I want to write one class, predefined class. Now I will write real code. Okay, observe carefully, explanation done. I will write right now direct code. I want to create one class for predefined one. Okay, it's loading. Right now I am creating one object for creating class. I am creating object for class. Which I scanner, I will take here scanner, not my user defined class. Scanner demo is my user defined class. Scanner is one predefined class. Object is hurry. Whatever the methods available in the scanner class, all available in the hurry. We can happily call all objects from the object. All methods from the all methods you can call with object because of it is non-static methods. So let me write one code. Suppose bus and passenger conversion. Let me write system.out.println. Let me here, like, suppose he is booking some ticket. Like it is asking, enter name, enter your name. After that, we have the method. What is that method? We have to call method with the object. Why? Because of it is non-static. Object dot next line. Next line is for taking input from the user data, and it is returning one string value. Right? How giving the data? This is the name, that is data type is string. Right? Now let me write one more thing, destination. Otherwise enter. Might be he will give one data. I want to store that one. It is returning one string value. For that purpose I have to give assigning symbol. I want to store that in one variable, that is my place. Obviously place is string. Why? Place is a one sequence of character. Ongole, O-N-G-O-L-E. Otherwise Bengaluru. These are all the characters. Sequence of the characters come together, it will give one meaningful information. That is nothing but called string. Now let me write simple enter for that purpose. After that, now tickets in the form of number. For that purpose, hurry dot next int. It is returning integer. Why? Because of if I give 2 number, it is a integer value. Scanner, it is returning one variable. I'm assigning to one variable. Okay. After destination, how many tickets do you want? Right, tickets. So price in the might be big value. For that purpose, let me take double. Next, I want to store that one variable, that is might be double. Okay, how many tickets? Price, right? Let me take price. This is obviously double. See here I am using data types. Integer, we know already. String, already we know yesterday. Double is also one data type. See here, long integer short long. See here, byte integer, okay, it's one more thing is there actually double. See here, double. Floating point, from the floating point floats. Float nothing but, suppose one cap price is 450.50 pice. Price, it is float. Okay, it is some more big value, then it became double. Double. Why? Price might be more than, it might be dot prices, right? Like, okay, I will give at the time of giving the details. This is the thing. So here I have to write one simple calculation. Suppose, what I have to do, how many tickets, right? Tickets, enter tickets. Suppose if I took tickets 2 into price, I will give one price into, it will return some value. I will put in the one variable total. It is must and should be double. Control C. Okay, now Control A, Control Shift F. That's it. Simple logic. Now let me print the details. Let me write bus ticket info. Now let me write system.out.println passenger name. Okay, passenger name, whatever I gave the data from the keyboard, it will come to this line and it will return one value. What is that value? That might be Mahesh. Otherwise any name. It will come, it will return one variable. It will return one string value. It will store in the name. I want to see that one. For that purpose, in this variable, what is the data available from the end user? I want to see that one. That's why this name, nothing but Mahesh, it will store into the name. I want to print that one. For that purpose, this line. After that, enter the destination. Let me remove this one. Number of tickets. Now not a total price. Whatever I gave here, suppose I gave here tickets 2 into tickets. Okay, tickets into tickets. No. Tickets into price. Right? Then here I have to give price. Save this one. And one more important point, we have to close this object. What is here object name? Hari. Hari dot close. This is the proper end. See here, just I will run this code. Observe carefully. First time I am giving the data from the keyboard. Just run this code. Here I have to give the name. Why it is okay, just to save this one. Run as Java application. Okay, enter the name. Suppose let me give Mahesh. Enter the destination. I want to go to, suppose where to go. Suppose Puri. Enter the tickets. 2 tickets. enter the price. Suppose price must be 800. Okay, see here. Okay, it's went wrong, little wrong. Tickets. So here I took the tickets, nothing but 2. And okay, I have to give here actually total instead of price. Let me write one more line. Sum dot out at println total. Total amount plus. Let me remove this one. Close. Now see. Let me save this one. Let me run as a Java application. Okay, let me put this one side. Now you can see, right? Okay, enter your name. Okay, let me write suppose Hari and enter destination. Suppose let me write just Hyderabad. Enter tickets, 2 tickets. Enter price, might be 780 price. See here, bus tickets info. Passenger name is Hari, going to destination Hyderabad. Number of tickets 2. 2 into 780. 1560. Okay, let me write explicitly. Save this one. Enter your name and enter destination. Enter number of tickets. Okay, save this one. Let me run as Java application. Okay, see here. Now let me write okay, see here, let me write without this also it is entering. Okay, see here, let me take here Krishna, enter details, something, name, number of tickets, let me take 2, price it might be 14,000, like, okay. Okay, what is the train ticket? Might be 5,000. Flight ticket might be 5,000. Let me take the 5,000. So, okay, that will be okay. Something bus ticket. So passenger name is Sam Krishna going to Mayapur. 2 tickets, 10,000 price. It's working properly, right? 2 tickets, 5 into 2, 10,000. This is how it might be. It will work. Like that only we can give number of details. It might be you can give anything. It might be bank details. Okay, it is asking PIN number. Like that only they will write more code based on this scanner. The main purpose of the scanner is take the input from the end user. That end user might be student, passenger, citizen, anyone. Clear? That is about scanner classes. And we have to properly close this one. Hari dot close. This is important one. Otherwise, data will be leak. That's it about scanner class. Okay, let me go to the simple topic. Loops done, strings done, arrays done. Scanner class. Okay, scanner class. See here, these are all the methods. Next line, right? I use the next line for reads the string values, reads the whole line from the string. See here, next line. I gave the data from the keyboard Mahesh. It will store into the name. How come to know? Just go to the scanner class. Just search for next line. Again next line. See here. I am using this method without writing this method. Without writing this method in my user defined class, I am using simply new keyword. I created class then all, okay, this one, okay. I simply use all these methods. Next line, right? Next integer, all will coming from the predefined class. Next line. Suppose let me write next integer also. Next integer also coming from predefined. Scanner is one predefined class. Scanner is one predefined class. You have to understand this whole thing. New class. Scanner is one predefined class. I created object for that one. This is one way. In OOPS concept, you can understand. We can extend class name, a keyword. That's it. This is one way of taking predefined class. This is one way of taking predefined class. In the OOPS concepts, this one. Okay. All over the methods, I can access and I can perform my application. That's it about scanner classes, right? Now one more important, these are all the methods available in the scanner class. Next line I used, next int I used for taking the integer value, nothing but it might be 2 or anything, any whole numbers. After that double, right? I used the double here also, next double, and it returning the double value alwaysly. Next float, next long, short, byte. These are all the methods coming from the predefined class scanner. Okay. Now special notes. Special note we have to observe. If you are using the system.in, system.in is in where I used this one in the parenthesis. In this parenthesis, system.in used for why this is for taking from the keyboard. For that purpose, system.in. For the best practice, we have to close the this object. Scanner.close. Here my object name is scanner, but in the case in this code, Hari is my object. See here, it's highlighted here. In the 7th line, I created object, right? We have to close this one. sd.close. It is a method. We have to close this one. Otherwise, data will might be leak. It might be a problem. These are all the special notes. Okay, that's it. And we don't take two scanner classes in the same class. See here. Already I created one scanner class. Again, if you created your scanner class, it may, what it will happen? Might be crash your program. Okay. Notice this one. We don't create two objects for scanner. We have to create only one object for the scanner. But we know we can create number of objects for the normal class. For what is my user defined class? Suppose demo. For demo, I can create number of objects. Demo. Some variable name, bu. Again, I can create one more object. It is valid. It is valid for the user defined class. It is valid for the user defined class, but not scanner. Not for the scanner. Nothing but scanner is one predefined class. If you use more than two objects like this, it might be crash or it won't work. That is the important notes. Okay, we have to always close with object.closer on the next line reading the without spaces. Okay, let me write, for your understanding, let me write this one again. I want to explain one important point. Suppose it is asking name. Suppose I give one data. Okay, it is string. That's why it's taken. Generally, it will give the error. In the in the real time also, if you go to the any ATM machines, It is asking the pin number. Suppose if you give the name, it is not valid point. There is no point of going to ATM. It is asking pin number means you have to give the proper pin number like that. Okay, whatever it is asking, we have to give that only. Okay, that is the point behind this one. Next line, we have to give the full name, no spaces, all these things. Okay, next simple topic it is. Let me explain. Okay, we don't have time, 10 now. Okay, let me explain one access modifier, public. See here, public is access modifier for the class. We can access this class anywhere. Okay, now public, let me write one line. Let me explain today public, let me explain access modifiers tomorrow. Remaining rest. Public, it is one access modifier. Modifier means thing before public. It might be class, it might be variable, it might be method, anything. If you declare public before the class, before the variable, before the method, I can access this one in the anywhere. I can access this one anywhere, nothing but any package. Any package. Right? Simple example. Now only I wrote one scanner classes. See here. See here. This is one package. Right? Which type of class it is? User predefined class and public. See here. Public. Because of the public only, I can able to access this scanner in my class. Right? I can able to access this predefined class in my class. If it is private means I cannot access. That's the thing. You can access this one anywhere, nothing but this is the class is declared with public. That's why this scanner classes I can use in my user defined class by using creating object. I can use the methods. Simply I did code reusability. That is the meaning of public. Public is the one access modifier. If you declare the class, we can access anywhere. Anywhere, nothing but in my package. What does mean my package? See here. This is my package. In this package, I can access this scanner classes. And anywhere. Anywhere, nothing but packages only. In my packages, I can use these classes if it is public. That's it. Okay, remaining rest default, private, protected. I will explain what does this mean tomorrow. Okay, that's it. Today class scanner. I'm stopping.